Day again. Must be my flush mount turn signals for the R1. Let's open it up and find out. Damn, these things are small. It's gonna look good though. Hopefully they're nice and bright. Smoke lenses. Not really thinking they're street legal though. Let's go put these bad boys on. Back down at the R1. Got these. I'll put them in. Man, they're tiny. Shoot. Like back in the day, that was the tiniest little turn signals I could possibly find for my old Ninja. But now, holy damn. Alright, let's drop these bad boys in. See what they look like. Drop them in. Man, those are crispy. Those are really crispy. Those look nice. Those look really nice. Now I just gotta get my integrated rear tail light, get some more side plastic and stuff, and she's ready to go. Of course, paint my tank and all that stuff because it looks like somebody used a roller brush on it. But whatever. Starting to look good. Starting to look really good. Yeah, man, I really like them. Really like them. Alright, off to the next project.